Hello YouTubers, this is GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. We will make a video today for a 2004 Honda Accord with a 4-cylinder automatic on the cabin filter for the air conditioning. So you open the glove box, you kind of pull this a little bit to the side, this one as well, the left side and the right side, and this come apart. On this one, this tab goes right here and already was disconnected, so we will connect it when we put everything back. Somebody was here before, I guess. Anyhow, cabin filter is right here. It's very easy to access to get to it. You pull the tab, something here, and pull towards you or towards the back of the vehicle. Pull it. You can see here it says airflow. Have an arrow going down, so you're gonna make sure your filter, the new cabin filter, is gonna be placed in the correct direction. Now here as you filter, you can see there's a lot of dust accumulated into it. So wow, not too bad. I've seen worse. But anyhow, this will definitely help your air conditioning work better, or your heater, because now it will be able, the blow motor will be able to actually do its job better. Now this is the new filter, cabin filter. Now you can see that have airflow error right there, so make sure you put it in the same direction here. Done. Place it back in, snap it in. Now you can go here. Now pull this tab. That will help do the glove box when open. It doesn't slam. It's supposed to go slower. But anyhow, that's how you replace that. I hope this video helped you guys. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. Have a great day. God bless you. Please like, subscribe to the channel, so we can, by you subscribing to our channel, that tells us that you like our videos and motivate us to keep making more for you guys and help. And hopefully we can save you some money. I can save you some money, so that way you can learn how to do it and just do it yourself, save some money, and hey, learn something new. Have a great day.